Today we are going to show you how to oil your mirror machine. Okay, let's do it right now. First, we find the oil holes reserved on the surface of the machine head. Then we insert the oiling pan into the oil hole. Press the oiling pan twice a week and 2 drops of oil each time. Next, let's find the oil hole on the surface of the shaft bed and continue to oil twice a week, 2 drops each time. Next, select the number 12 needle. If your machine has 50 needles, then select the number 50 needle. The machine head starts to move to the right. When the guide rail is exposed totally, just squeeze the oiling pan and evenly apply the sewing oil on the guide rail. Twice a week, 2 drops each time. Next, we will continue to select the number 1 needle. The machine head starts to move to the left and continue to use the oiling pan to oil the guide rail. Then we use the flat screwdriver to loosen the screws at the guide rail. Remove the metal plate and use the oiling pan to oil driver rod twice a week, 2 drops each time. Next, we need to oil the needle bar in turn, twice a week, 1 drop of oil each time. Use the cross screwdriver to remove the panel and oil the button of the needle bar. Here, I need to explain to you why you need to oil in this part. Because there is a layer of sponge on the bottom of the needle bar. When the needle bar moves up and down, it will absorb the oil on the needle bar, which will lubricate the needle bar evenly. Next, we will oil the hook part. Take out the bobbin and use the oiling pan to oil the hook. Here we suggest that you can oil the hook once your machine has been working continuously for 8 hours. Just a drop of oil at a time will be fine. Now we move on to the second part. In this part, you need to use the grease, and we recommend you make the maintenance every 6 months. First, find the color changing motor. Loosen the screw with a screwdriver. Remove the protective cover. Manually rotate the black knob. Brush with grease and keep rotating the bottom to evenly coat the gears with grease. Next, use a screwdriver to loosen the screws on the machine head and remove the cover. Here you need to rotate the black knob of the spider. And at the same time, continue to lubricate the spider cam with the brush. We continue to adjust the needle position. We choose the number 12 needle. Then, machine head will move to the right, and this time we use the brush to lubricate the part behind the guide rail. Okay, this is today's content, how to oil your mirror machine. If you want to watch more videos, please click the subscribe under the video. So see you next time.